Natry nyo na ba tong bago ng Tokyo Tokyo? Hey cuties! Nabalitaan ko nga tong bago nila na Big Chicken Katsu. Kaya naman I went to their nearest branch and I'm super excited with their takoyaki flavor. For a la carte, it's 265 pesos and 295 pesos naman for only rice. Chicken is super crunchy on the outside, very tender and juicy in the inside. It's very flavorful at sa unang kagat pa nga lang lasang-lasa mo na agad yung takoyaki flavor and it complements well with their cabbage. Sobrang sulit talaga for its price at kung takoyaki lover ka nga, I'm sure magugustuhan mo to. And as advertised, delicious just got generous nga naman talaga. Kaya kung hindi nyo pa na-try to, make sure to visit Tokyo Tokyo and itry nyo na this weekend. Enjoy!